Children laugh and play in colors so gay, with flowers in bloom, filling the air with perfume. Oh, what a delight in the garden so bright, with barefoot toes in the soft green grass. Children giggle and dance as they pass amongst the roses and daisies fair. In the garden there's magic everywhere. Butterflies flutter in a graceful flight. Children chase them with sheer delight, with laughter ringing like a joyful bell. In the garden all is well. In the garden so bright, under the sun's warm light, children laugh and play in colors so gay, with flowers in bloom, filling the air with perfume. Oh, what a delight in the garden so bright, bees buzz softly, gathering nectar sweet. Children watch them, their curiosity replete. With tiny hands they pick a bloom. In the garden there's no bloom. Ladybirds crawl on leaves so green. In this magical place they're often seen. Children's a sparkle with wonder and glee. In the garden they're as happy as can be. Under the shade of a tree so tall, children gather, sharing stories, one and all, with sandwiches and lemonade in hand. In the garden it's a joyful land. As the day draws to a close, the sun starts to set. Children bid farewell with no regret, for in their hearts the memories will stay of a perfect day in the garden, come what may. In the garden children's dreams take flight. In the garden